So with this, we have covered all the things you need to create your first online course. I want you to go ahead and dive into your course creation journey and not just stop with your first online course. I want you to go ahead and create your second, third and fourth online course and live your dream as a profitable online course seller. So as you go ahead in your course creation journey, I want you to remember three things. If you are scared that you are late, that there is too much competition, that you should have started, maybe you had this idea 2 years or 3 years or 4 years ago, and that you are late, don't worry, you are not late. You are at the right time. Whatever experiences you have, whatever knowledge you have is unique. And if you can find out the particular problem that your audience want, using your knowledge and experience, your course will stand out in the competitive market. So I want you to remember that it's not late. Don't make that as an excuse to not start your journey, because there are millions of others who have the same excuse. Second one, this is your opportunity to make the knowledge stay in this planet. So even if you are not there, your knowledge will be in this planet and it will keep on educating students and many people will benefit from it. So this is one thing that you need to remember if you are starting your online course, and this is a great opportunity and motivation you should think of when you are starting your online course. Number 3, no matter whatever you have gone through, whatever failures or ups and downs you have, if you can see your dream in your mind, you can certainly achieve it. I hope this course has helped you to, it has given you at least a few bits of information that will help you to push yourself to get to that course creation journey. And if it does, do let me know, and do give this course a good rating if you like the course and the contents. If you didn't like the course, do let me know why it is, and I would try my best to improve and give you much better content. So till we meet again in another video, I wish you all the very best for your course creation journey and wish you a lot of success. Thank you very much. Bye.